Whoa, guys. Sorry I haven't been making so much videos. I was in school, I was busy, but look at the rain. And there was a little bit of snow over there. It was cool. But sorry I haven't been making videos. I've been busy making, stuff, doing stuff. Yeah, so there's the water. Look at the road. Like, seriously, look at the road. Like, seriously. There's like fish in there. My brother's car is all ruined. So guys, I just wanted you to make this. I just want to make this video so I can make sure you guys are okay. And if you have rain like super hard like this, tell me in the comments because I would love to hear your stories. Yeah, so guys, I just wanted you to make. So I'll see you all, I don't know, until I make another video.